Put alcohol in avocado. You will never suffer from it again. To begin with, we will need an avocado. It is important that it is not too ripe. Cut it in half. For this recipe, we are only going to use the core of the avocado. Many people don't realize what this simple pit can do. You'll be surprised when you find out. Now, I'm going to wash and remove the skin from around the pit. I'll be back soon to show you the power of the avocado pit. Now, with the help of a knife, we will cut the pit into smaller pieces. This step is quite simple, because the avocado pit, despite appearances, is very soft. Did you know that almost 80% of the world's population throws away the stone? Let me explain why the remaining 20% do not throw it away. After cutting it, it is normal for the stone to change color a little. The combination of these two ingredients is really impressive. I'm sure you will notice the difference immediately. These two ingredients make a powerful home remedy that you should always have on hand. It is also great for elbows, which hurt a lot when we move around daily or lift weights. I also use it almost daily on my heels because I always feel a lot of pain there. We put the whole avocado pit, cut into chunks, in a container with a lid and then add 10 ounces of alcohol, or enough to completely cover the container. I bet you didn't know this, but alcohol mixed with avocado pits is a potent remedy. This mixture used to be made by hand as a remedy to cure headaches, stomach aches, and even body aches. It is made with a combination of alcohol and avocado pits. But most importantly, by mixing it with the avocado pit, its benefits are further enhanced. This is a great home remedy, and you need to prepare it at home. After adding the alcohol and the avocado pit, let it sit for about 24 hours, preferably in a place with little light. After 24 hours, it is ready to use. Apply it where you feel pain and leave it overnight. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It can also relieve joint pain throughout the body, including the back, legs, elbows, neck, and knees. If you have leg pain or know someone who does, you should use this remedy. You only need these two ingredients. Oh, and tell me what city you're watching from so I can say hello in the next video. While you're here, don't forget to rate this tip from 0 to 10. This home remedy is also great for those with knee pain. If you didn't know about it, try it for yourself. Let me know if you already knew about this medicinal use of avocado pits and alcohol. See you in a future video. See you later.